Top of the top, champ. So, early morning grind, champ. About to go to work. But yeah, about to turn on my whip. I hate this shit because then like cleaning this shit makes it harder. But here we go. I'll be honest with y'all, like I never have any issues on E85 cold starts. Like my shit always starts up right away. Alright, so yeah, I'm gonna just do some POV action. It's nothing, I'm not gonna do no pulls early in the morning. But hey man, I hope you accomplish whatever goal you have set for yourself today, man. It don't matter what the fuck it is, bro. Like, if you want to clean your car, write that shit down for today and then try to check it off at the end of the day. For me today, is to get started on a video to edit for YouTube, you know? So, that's my goal for today. And if your goal is to go run a mile today, then bro, do this shit, you know? Then check it off at the end of the day. But this is my little morning routine. Yes, sir. Honestly, daily driving PPG gear set with a stage 3 6-puck clutch. It's not bad at all. So my goal for mods this year, honestly, is to for sure get an intercooler kit and coilovers. I really want coilovers, man. Shout out to Stock SI. I need coilovers and intercooler kit. I'll take an inlet pipe. And there's another mod that I'm not gonna say. I'm gonna just surprise y'all with. I don't, you know what I mean? So stay tuned for that, man. This screen is green. Stay tuned for that shit, and then yeah, man, those are my two mods for this year. Obviously PPG was not my, you know, that wasn't by choice. So alright, you guys, so I picked this up on the way home, and like I said, man, accomplish that goal you set for yourself today. What the fuck? Wait on me. gotta give you a pull, right? Be a Dodge owner. I ain't never heard this beat, but I'm gonna just gas on it. While I'm on the freeway, I'm gonna just spit some bars. Never heard this beat, I'm gonna gas on it. Look, I can feel that shit flowing through my veins. I'm gonna speak the truth through my music. I don't gotta follow no rules. I never ride none of my shit. I'm gonna do it while I'm driving. Hit the gas to the dash, hoping I don't crash. Cops on my ass, hey. Look, I was made for the shit. I can feel this beat through my veins, flowing through the shit, hey. I'ma gas on it, wish I could go in. Hey, let me catch this beat, feeling like the one. I'm a chosen one. I was born on the 1st of the 10th month. What does that make me? Feeling the veins. Look, all I do is gotta motivate. Look, I ain't gonna talk about popping no pills, popping no pills. You should do is pop that. I can line water, get your body right, get your mind right. Do some research, stop doing what you told. Think for yourself, fuck it. Feel like I'm only one. Feel like the only one in this shit. I'ma work on this shit. I ain't. Hey, top of the top. Early in the morning, man. It's like 6 in the morning. And sipping my coffee, man. You know what I mean? So like what I'm doing right now is I'm just chilling, enjoying my coffee outdoors. I got my little frequency music, chill. You know, I just woke up, so I don't want to be on my phone aside from like playing the music. And I'm gonna sit here, recharge my body for the day, and manifest on my goals, man. And keep working hard and planting my seeds and watering the soil, you know? So, you know, simple shit. Maybe we'll do a car meet if we have time. Cause I don't know, I want to watch the UFC pay-per-view, you know? So, I think about that one. This is so relaxing. Listen to my frequency music, relaxing my mind, speaking all my goals to existence. And it's not just doing it, like, don't do this. And it's more than just doing it, you know what I mean? Like, your lifestyle has to match this shit, and everything else has to just align perfect. Like, you just can't do this and expect like shit, you know? So it's like, it ain't a magic tool at the end of the day as also either. I feel like a lot of people look at it that way. They don't see shit happening and stop. You're not gonna see shit happen, bro. Might be days you don't see shit happen or feel anything, you know? But anyways,
summer, I guess we hotboxing. They starting to think I'm from Houston, the way I pop rockets. With the fighting and the busting, yeah, we pop locking. Zeus ain't making no money, boy, you need to stop it. I ball out, grind hard, Zeus NBA. If you ain't talking money, then you in the way. So you the type to make excuses, I'ma make a play. I run it up, double back, then stay out the way. See, I'm the type to go and grab it, I'ma make it happen. Semi-automatic, tucked up in the mattress. Trap back jumping like a rabbit, wrap it in the plastic. If you talking crazy, Zeus about the action. Only